Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to answer a very important question related to medical admission. Is NEET mandatory? Many parents and aspirants to medical admission have this question. Even though it's very, very clear that NEET is a very mandatory entrance examination to get admission to MBBS or BDS or Ayush courses, still parents do have this question. Is NEET mandatory? Can I get admission without passing NEET examination? Okay, I want to make it very, very clear that without clearing NEET, you cannot get medical admission. So let's be very straightforward. No NEET, no MBBS. Then the second question somebody asked me, I'm only interested in private colleges. Do I still need to clear NEET? Absolutely yes. Even though you are interested only in private colleges, you still need to clear NEET. NEET is mandatory whether you want to take a seat in government medical colleges, whether you want to take a seat in private self-financing medical colleges, or whether you want to take a seat in deemed universities, it doesn't matter. You still need to clear NEET entrance examination. I can pay for the seat. Can I not get a management quota? There are management quota seats available in private colleges, deemed universities. Why do you say that I cannot get it? Once again, you need to clear NEET entrance examination, irrespective of whether you go through a government quota seat, management quota seat, NRA quota seat, or maybe minority quota seat. It doesn't really matter. You need to clear NEET entrance examination. Okay, how about I'm planning to study in China, Russia, Philippines, Ukraine. Do I still need NEET? The university has given me admission. They don't need NEET. That's right. The university where you are seeking admission may not ask you NEET, but Indian government makes it mandatory that you need to clear NEET before you go and pursue your primary medical education anywhere outside India. In case if you go and seek an admission in an overseas university and you do not clear NEET entrance examination, then probably you may not be able to come back and practice in India. So please remember, whether you study in a government medical college, private medical college, deemed universities, whether you get a government quota seat, private quota seat, management quota seat, minority quota seat, whatever the category of seat, whether you want to study in India or overseas, NEET is mandatory. So keep these in mind. Don't get fooled by people. Sometimes some agents, some middlemen might come and tell you that they can get admission without NEET. So it is not possible. So decide whether you can clear the NEET entrance exam, then only you should pursue medical. If you cannot clear the NEET entrance exam, that's fine. You can repeat NEET. You can go and study, prepare well for the next year, and then you can get the MBBS admission. But don't try to get a seat without NEET. It's not possible in India as of now. Thank you. My best wishes to you.